You can carry out division using your times tables. Here is a copy of the times tables up to 12. We will try and use this to divide 15 by 3. Because we are dividing by 3, we will look at the row of numbers that starts with 3. Read along this line until you reach 15. Then go vertically upwards to get the answer at the top, which is 5. Now let's look at 15 divided by 5. We move down to the row beginning with 5. Read along to 15 and then go vertically up to the answer, which is 3. Now let's look at a slightly harder question. We will divide 84 by 7. We need to move down to the row that begins with 7. Read along to 84 and then go vertically upwards to the answer of 12. We say that 84 divided by 7 is 12, and the dividing symbol looks like this. We can also say that 7 goes into 84 12 times.